Quail bird farm business is very easy and lucrative. Almost all types of weather conditions are suitable for starting quail bird farm business. Quail bird farm business requires small capital and labor. Commercial quail bird farm business can be a great source of income and employment for the unemployed educated people. Even, you can start raising a few quails along with your current profession. Quail bird generally survive for 3 to 4 years. An adult quail weighs between 150 to 200 grams. Quail can be raised in both litter and cage systems. Deep litter system, 6 quails can be reared in a square foot of floor space. Litters materials, paddy husk, groundnut hulls, sawdust. In cage system, management is very easy, and diseases or other problems are less. After 2 weeks of age, quails can be reared in cages. You can raise 50 quails in a cage measuring 120 centimeters length, 60 centimeters wide, and 25 centimeters height. If you want to venture into quail farm solely for egg production, then you should go for the layer breed. But if you also want to sell quail for meat, you should add some broiler breeds. Female quails start laying eggs within their 6 to 7 weeks of age. They usually lay eggs at afternoon. They lay about 300 eggs in their first year of life. Eggs production gradually decrease after their first year of laying period. To get desired egg production from your quails, light play a vital role. For maximum egg production, 16 hours of lighting period is required daily inside the quail house. Quails do not incubate their eggs. So, you have to use an incubator or brooder chickens for hatching their eggs. It takes about 16 to 18 days to hatch their eggs. Quail egg is very suitable for human health. Meat of quail are very tasty, delicious, and nutritious. Fat is very low in their meat. An adult quail consumes about 20 to 25 grams of food daily. Chick feed should contain 27%, and adult feed 22 to 24% of protein. Provide adequate, fresh and clean water, according to their demand. Never feed your birds with contaminated feeds and polluted water. If you want successful breeding and want to hatch their eggs, then keep 1 male with every 5 female quails. In order to produce fertile eggs, the male quails should be reared along with the females at 8 to 10 weeks of age. Keep newly born quail chicks in a brooder house. Quail chicks become very sensitive and take about 2 weeks to be strong enough. Chicks need artificial heat and temperature management system for 14 to 21 days from their birth. Newly hatched chicks require desirable temperature of about 35 degrees during the first weeks of brooding, then gradually reduce 3.5 degrees Celsius per week until the chicks are fully feathered at about 4 weeks. Always try to keep their house dry and clean. Ensure proper movement of light and air inside their house. If you intend to join this business venture, then try to visit some farms in your area.